Create space in your calendar for Restoring the Temple, Positioning the Kings and Priests with Apostle Alicia Liverpool. Spirit-filled sessions include the Priestly Mantle, Friday 21st, 6:30 p.m. The Kingly Mantle, Saturday 22nd, 9:30 a.m. Now this session is by registration only with a cost of $50. But if you register before October 15th, you pay $45, and that includes lunch and materials. Up next, Positioning the Kings and Priests, Sunday 23rd, 9:30 a.m. And capping these sessions will be a praise celebration at 6:30 p.m. Restoring the Temple, Positioning the Kings and Priests with Apostle Alicia Liverpool. Get the power of the boom kapow in your ministry. Register today.